Let me share with you the most important and freeing thing that I learned in my abuse recovery. I'm a relationship coach. I specialize in abuse education and trauma bond recovery. You want to know how to make a narcissist understand what they're doing? They already know. You are spending a whole lot of energy trying to teach someone something that they already know. They just don't care. And that's the hard part. Wrapping your mind around the fact that someone that you loved hurt you knowingly and did it anyway. To accept this is a game changer. But here's the best part about accepting it. You can release yourself from the cycle. It will be the thing that helps you let go. With my clients, I see this as one of the most difficult things for people to accept, and I get it. But can I challenge you with just this one thing? Reflect on your past arguments with the narcissist through this lens. Makes sense, doesn't it?
Stronger.